Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Lelit Elizabeth Espresso Machine, and before we get started I'm just going to show you inside the machine. We had to fix a bunch of leaks, place a new switch, main board. We did a bunch of stuff with this machine. It was a lot of work, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. There's a slight drip from the steam one too, but that would take a substantial amount of work to do, and I don't think the customer wants us to do any more on this machine. So as you can see, it makes a nice shot of espresso. Puts the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.